Hello everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to QMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here to miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese steel market continued its downward trend. As we dive into the off-season, market sentiment remains cautious and we're seeing a weak and volatile performance overall. Let's see more details. On the demand side, high temperature and the rainy season are putting a lot of pressure on construction activities, dragging down demand for rebar and other building materials. At the same time, there are seasonal drops in home appliance production, and with rising tariff on exports, steel demand from the manufacturing sector is also under a lot of pressure. On the supply side, electric arc furnace steel makers are running at losses, leading to widespread production cuts and shutdowns. As a result, EAF capacity utilization has dropped significantly. However, due to lower prices of raw material like coking coal and iron ore, blast furnaces are still making profit and are not cutting back production much. Then, on the macro front, there are no significant new stimulus policy at home, and internationally, uncertainties from trade tensions and geopolitical conflicts continue to weigh on market sentiment. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent steel demand went up by more than 160,000 tons, while total inventory went down by 150,000 tons. Production went up a bit. To be more specific, rebar stood out with the largest increase in output and the biggest inventory drawdown. Though interestingly, it was the only product where demand actually fell. Meanwhile, hot coil production went up slightly, but demand saw a strong rebound, showing more resilience. So, where do we go from here? In the short term, the overall supply-demand balance is likely to keep weakening. With global uncertainty still hanging over us and no real new economic driver in sight, we are expecting Chinese steel prices to keep moving in this fluctuating and slightly downward pattern next week. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.